Hello parents, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Matt Cush and I am representing Grand Island Public Schools. The purpose of this video is to let you know your rights and how they relate to your children in special education. We look forward to working with parents and students to make sure that all special education students get the education that they want, that they deserve, and that they are legally entitled to. History of parental rights. Your right as a parent to direct the upbringing, education, and care of your children is a right that was already understood and acknowledged long before the United States came to be. Natural bonds of affection lead parents to act in the best interests of their children. Most children cannot make sound judgments, and for this reason, parents can and must make those judgments for them. What defines a parent? A parent can be a natural or biological parent, an adoptive parent, a person acting as a parent, a legal guardian, an official appointed education advocate, or a foster parent. If you are any of these things, you have parental rights, and we want you to be an active participant in your children's education. As the parents of children that are receiving special education, you have certain rights and safeguards. Each time we propose or refuse to initiate or change the identification or evaluation of your child, you will be given a notice. The notice will include a description of the action proposed or refused, an explanation why, other options considered, and other factors that were considered. You have the right to consent, which means you will be fully informed and agree in writing. You also have the right to refuse to consent. There will be one person assigned to assume responsibility for ensuring confidentiality for your children in special education. Individual Education Plan Meetings, or IEP meetings. We will take steps to ensure that one, if not both parents, are present at every IEP meeting. You will be given notice at least 10 days prior to the meeting. The notice will indicate the purpose, time, date, location, and information about the people attending the meeting. On or before your student's 17th birthday, the IEP will contain a statement that the student has been informed that at age 18, the parental rights will transfer to the student. This means they will become their own educational decision makers. I would now like to talk about what we at Grand Island Public Schools expect from you and your children. As parents, you should be aware of your children's work, progress, and problems. Please adhere to all school policies and regulations, respond to all school communications in a timely manner, and attend all meetings. Your children should be well rested, ready to learn, attend school regularly, and be on time. Problem-solving steps. Should any problems arise with your children's special education services, we encourage you to follow these steps. Step 1, talk to your child's teacher. Be patient. Meetings can take a few days. Meetings can take place in person or over the phone. Keep track of all communication. Step 2, present your concern to the next level. Hopefully, it doesn't have to get to this level even. Hopefully, we can resolve everything through step 1. But in case, here is step 2, 3, and 4. Step 2, present your concern to the next level. If talking with the teacher doesn't work, you may need to talk to someone a little higher up. Let them know how step 1 went and share any concerns that you have about the teacher. Step 3, contact the building principal, superintendent, or head of school. You will be able to arrange a meeting through the school office. And step 4, the final step, is to go to the district board of directors. You can present your issue and provide documentation, please. No matter how difficult the situation is, we will work together to solve any and all problems. Here are the references that I used for this public service announcement.